I'm Angela Lovelace of Actually Organized by Angela. One of my favorite organizing tips is like things with like things. And this applies to your refrigerator as well. You want to keep all similar things grouped together, particularly your leftovers, because it makes it easy for your family to find them if they're looking to snack. One way to keep your refrigerator cleaned out and fresh is to have a set day to dispose of your leftovers each week. I suggest the night before the trash goes out, so that way you can take it out the next day. That's my favorite organizing tip.
I'm Jamie Martin of Destination Organization. I have one tip for the refrigerator organizing that I'd like to share, and that is label your leftovers with the date that you put it in there and what's in it, so that other people in your family will be encouraged to eat it up before it goes bad.
I'm Laura Waller with the Department of Organization Incorporated, and I would like to offer you a few tips on refrigerators. First, you want to start out by cleaning that refrigerator out and getting rid of all those spoiled items. An easy way to prevent you from those items that you put in there and you forget is to actually keep a Sharpie marker by your refrigerator and put a date on them so you know when to use those up as soon as possible. I like to use clear bins that can be purchased at a lot of the retail stores, and keeping some of those like items. And if you have small children that are adamant about making their own meals for packing their lunches for school, put all the ingredients together. So put your lunch meat, put your bread, put those in a bin together, so when they open that refrigerator they can pull that out and everything they need to make their lunches is right there. Another thing is, if you have those small kids that like to come home and eat you out of the house, put all the items that you approve of for them to eat after school in a bin and label it after school. Or if you have fruit that you want them to eat first before you eat all the new stuff, put a label on your bins and said eat now. Those are my tips for keeping your refrigerator nice and organized.
Hello, I'm Linda Walsh of Linda's Less is More, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the benefits of organizing your refrigerator before Thanksgiving. Obviously, if you're hosting a Thanksgiving dinner, you probably have a large turkey that's going to have to thaw in there for 2 to 4 days. It's going to take up a lot of room. You're also most likely going to have a lot of other items, and after the dinner, probably a lot of leftovers. Even if you are not the host, you will probably go home with leftovers and need a place to put them. And last but not least, if you're lucky enough to be going out of town for Thanksgiving, it's always a good idea to clean out your refrigerator before you leave town so you don't come back to a very smelly refrigerator full of old food. That's all. Have a good holiday.
We are